receiving enough data from your encoder. Hello, good morning everybody. I hope you can see my screen. So today we are a bit late. We are like this is 20 minutes into time. We'll start off. We'll look at the chart which we looked at yesterday. We'll start off with Euro USD. So this is the trade we had yesterday. We actually took a buy when price retraced back down, and the main reason we took this buy was because we were around a very good resistance at this point here. This is a resistance. We had a resistance here, resistance. Then the price went above it. It came back, and while price was here, this was the correct place to buy it from. So we did buy it, but as it is now, we're actually being stopped out. If you are stopped out, it's okay. You just leave it because somehow we are turning into sellers now. We'll be able to look for a sell the same place where we bought from. So let this price hit the stop loss first, or if it goes back to break even, then you're supposed to step out. So the best to avoid anything, just drag a take profit to break even like this here. Drag it slightly below where you entered, somewhere there, and then leave it, which means if price gets back to this place here, you'll be able to be stopped out, but with a small amount of money. So this is still a buy in my opinion. If you check the weekly chart, it's still a buy, but then on the 4 hours, we're actually turning into sellers, which means the buy we are seeing on the weekly may actually turn into a sell. So just wait for price to get back to this level. If it doesn't break above, then you'll be able to pick a sell. You have a stop loss above this level here, 1.1181, and then have your first take profit here, and then you should have your next take profit at the bottom, which is here. So basically, these are the levels we're looking at. We're looking at a sell from this level. We have a stop loss. We have our first take profit, and then the next one is here, 1.0937. We'll move forward. GBP USD. On this one, we are still waiting for a sell. So we want a retracement back to 1.2729. Then we'll be able to pick a buy from that point up to 1.3307 at the top. So if you are looking at this chart, you better have a pending buy limit here. Have your stop loss below the low of the previous week's candle. Here, have your stop loss below this level, 1.2480. Then have a first take profit at 1.3307. I'm not going to add anything on this one. That is still a good buy, which means if you took it, you should be able to hold on. If you are able to buy it from 1.2729, hold on up to this resistance 1.3307, and your stop loss should be here 1.2480. The next symbol is DJPY. This DJPY should be amongst this list. Yeah, this is how it looks. These are the indicators we had some few days ago. I'm not going to use them so much. So if you check 1 hour, we are actually in a sell. You're supposed to look for a sell. And the reason I'm saying this is because the 4 moving averages, the first one, second one, the third one, all of them, the price went below them when this happened. So as long as you have price below the 3 moving averages, that should give us a sell. So you can basically just sell it now. Have your stop loss above this level, above 108.74. Then your take profit needs to be here, and somewhere here around 106.82. This is where your stop loss should be at. So we'll move forward, move to the next one, SP500. the same drawing we had last week. We still expect the same thing to happen. We expected a sell from where the price was somewhere here up to this trend line, but that did not happen. Instead, the price continued up. So we still expect it to proceed even higher. Let it go up to this trend line here. The price can go up to that trend line, then that will give us the best place to sell from up to the supportive trend line, which is now this one. So as it is now, we expect a move to the upper side, but only up to this trend line here. If it bounces off from that trend line, we'll pick a sell up to the lower one, which is here. On the daily, this is how the daily chart looks. SP500 daily, we had a trend line from this point here, there, and then we mentioned that as long as the price remained above that trend line, we expected it to proceed even as. So far, something like nothing has happened. It's like the price is still consolidating around the same place we wanted to sell to buy it from. So this, in my opinion, is a good buy, but wait for a signal. So this is a very good buy. You need to wait for that signal, and if you successfully buy it with a signal, have your take profit here. 3026.2, somewhere around this point. So we look for a buy, we'll hold on to that buy up to 3026.2, somewhere here. We'll move forward to the next symbol, Brent oil. This one, there's nothing to be added. We have this lines the same way we had them yesterday. We had a level here, 58.42, 57.40. We expected a buy from this point up to the upper trend line. So far, the price has not moved even an inch. So this one is still a good buy. Wait for that buy within that zone. If it breaks below, wait for retracement. Then you pick a sell up to 45.60. So we move to the last one. Gold is upwards. So I'm not going to talk much about this one. I still have my lines the same way we had them yesterday. We are still looking for the same position we are looking for yesterday. We expect a break above that trend line, a retracement, and we pick a buy from that point to the top. So if you are looking at this chart, you should be expecting that break. Expect price to break above so that we continue even higher. Thank you very much. That should be the end of today's market overview. We meet again tomorrow at the same time.
the company. We will give away $15,000 among our new clients. And 15 ounces of gold will be raffled off among our active clients. Take part in the celebratory raffle and get your prizes. FreshForex turns 15. A birthday is a good reason for gifts. FreshForex will give presents to all clients of the company. We will give away $15,000 among our new clients. And 15 ounces of gold will be raffled off among our active clients. Take part in the celebratory raffle and get your prizes. FreshForex turns 15. A birthday is a good reason for gifts. FreshForex will give presents to all clients of the company. We will give away $15,000 among our new clients. And 15 ounces of gold will be raffled off among our active clients. Take part in the celebratory raffle and get your prizes.